order for Edita that's going to Philadelphia today. So here we have a pen for practice and a brush, creator brush number 21. We also have 19, 20, and 5 in our collection. And this Etalon Brow mini set of 5 milliliters. It's 6 different shades. We have here hazelnut. It's a universal color for all skin types. We have milk chocolate here on an orange base, and it's the warmest shade of the palette. We have the espresso here on a red brown base. We have dark chocolate here, the darkest and coldest of brown shades in the palette. We have cognac here for people with olive skin undertone, works great. And the milk chocolate is the best option for refresh and slightly gray eyebrows. It's the warmest shade of the palette. So it's a great set for you to try the brand Etalon. We also have mini sets